When I offer this dish to my guests, they often wonder what these lollipops are made of. These are actually honey chicken wings, shaped as montice. Here are the ingredients for 2 to 3 people. You can find the list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Separate the 3 parts of the chicken wings. Remove the tip. We will give the 2 other pieces the lollipop shape. Start with the first segment, starting from the least fleshy end. Detach the flesh to reveal the bone. Push the flesh towards the other end. The second segment contains 2 bones. Remove the thinnest. For this, separate the 2 bones on one end. Untie the flesh and remove this little bone. Then, push the flesh towards the other end, along the remaining bone. To make the chicken marinade, crush a clove of garlic, peel it, chop it. Peel the ginger. Grate it, take 1 teaspoon. Then add the salt, the pepper, the sugar, the honey, the oil, the light soy sauce, the dark soy sauce. Mix all together. Cover and leave it in the fridge at least 3 hours, or better overnight. Mince the green onion. Mix the marinade before cooking. Pour it in a pan. All cooking is done over low heat. Cook for 5 minutes with the lid. Then mix. Put the lid back on. Cook for another 5 minutes. Continue cooking for 5 minutes without a lid and mixing from time to time. Without a lid, the sauce evaporates and allows the wings to caramelize. Sprinkle some green onion. Beware, some gourmands may finish the dish before others have enjoyed it. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.